Sumakot din yung bata kanina.
Kanina, inaabot niya sa akin yung phone mo. Tapos doon ako nagtatap ng bayad.
Gutom na nga. Dito na lang tayo, oh. Ito.
767.
Okay. Nakalisto.
Nakita niya yung vlogs ni Kuya tapos sabi niya, na-inspire siya.
Na-inspire siya?
Sabi niya,
Nalaman.
I want to be like him. He is him.
I am him. Hello, mother?
Hi.
Palagay ko.
Tapos din ako. Thank you, Lord.
Anong sabi?
Wala naman akong rayuma.
Uric acid?
Ano daw, sabi ni doktora, baka nga sa ugat.
Saan punta ma?
Gusto niyo ba doon sa yung kinainan namin ni Daddy ng 35, madami na?
Sa mga pre?
Pwede.
Oo, yung monopre.
Pwede. Buy one take one.
Tapos bumili na tayo ng ano doon, ng pizza, dadalhin natin doon sa bahay ni
Ikaw.
Tita. Gusto niyo?
Sure.
Yung ano po ng reseller, wild mushroom po, truffle, signature seafood po.
Pero ano po ito, ma?
Ito po sir kasi ang ano niya, base niya, ano tomato sauce lang, ito po kasi truffle.
Hi, Sophie.
Hello. Picture daw kayo, sabi ni Daddy.
Picture?
Si Kiko. Daddy.
Picture mo daw, Pi.
Sa phone ko. Mike, lalagyan mo ba
Come.
kami ng ganyan?
Come. Iniwan ka na naman nila.
Ganito lang
No.
yung ano namin sa
No.
sala. Maliit.
No. Bumili kaming food sa Monoprix.
Hi, Mary. Ano pagkain mo, Marky? Pagkain mo. Uy, itatapon natin to magkakalat pa tayo dito. Linis ng bahay nila, tita. Siguro, kakamayin nyo kasi wala man lang binigay na di ba?
Oh, wala nga siyang binigay na kutsara feeder ka.
Kaya, sakto yung binibili ko dating mga puti na short ayaw mo. So, may ano ba?
Hey, boy.
Ito yung music video?
Grabe, kumahal
Good boy. Sit down ka na. Sit down na tayo. Sit down. Come.
Ito yung music video, it's Jessie.
Diba? He's the king. Sobrang friendly kaya niya. Gulat siya.
Nakikiano na siya kanina.
Tatalon yan. Sa likod.
Tuloy yan sa likod. Tumatala yan sa likod.
Inaabangan niya, oh.
Ano na nanahan sila?
Bye. Novo. Nice. That was good. That was good. I'm not gonna lie.
Really contented. I don't remember them excelling themselves.
Walang ganun. Pero
They
like,
just made up. They just
yeah, yeah, yeah. Tumigil na yun nung niligtas na sila lahat eh. Tayo bumalik siya tapos pinatay niya lahat ng supers. Wow. That was good. Good job, Christopher Nolan.
Look, that guy barely ate his popcorn.
Oh,
Yung katabi ni Kuya.
we can take it.
He's taking. Pinaparinig ko sa kanya yung ano, yung lari kong play.
Pesto.
Saan?
Yun.
Wala.
Now this is heaven. Look at that. Bro. Bro. Gusto ko Skittles. Daniela P.
What do you know that? Do you
That's
sing
cute.
it too much?
Yeah.
Why are you so zoomed in?
Boosh. Back here with your boy. Sa tingin mo nag-iintay na sila doon? I think running time siya eh. 3:30. Is ano? World Cup ano? Probably. Cards.
Yung gacha.
Gotcha.
Yung mga stickers.
Nasa kayo Uchiha Clan.
No, that's it.
Si ano yun? Itachi.
Okay guys, turn na.
Turn naman tayo. So this is, alam niyo yung ano? Alam niyo yung sa World Cup? Magkaano tayo? Magka-quarter. Ano ba tawag dun sa
Bracket.
Yes.
Sa World Cup.
Ito yung quarterfinals. Nice hair! It's nice! Hello. Yahoo! Ito yung pinili namin mo.
Tama. Pag naka 5 points,
It's over for
score nila
the
to.
other team.
God,
Zeus!
pray,
Pray.
church, Christianity,
Religion.
second,
Religious.
second word, animal
Religious pig.
in the sea,
Religious fish. Religious whale.
sting,
Religious what? Ray?
Religious
Ray.
it
Religious
stings
ray.
you.
Jellyfish.
Yes.
Religious jellyfish. Religious jellyfish.
First word, small,
Mouse. Tiny. Mouse. Mice. Small.
Mouse.
Small. Mice. What? Mouses?
mouse,
Jump? What?
small mouse,
Small mouse. Tiny mouse.
time,
Mini mouse.
mouse,
Kahit yung mega ano,
Ano?
pwede,
Siya lang.
bawal
siya
kami,
lang bawal.
ikaw lang,
kailan bawal
ay siya lang,
Siya lang.
ako lang bawal madami,
Ikaw lang. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm proud.
Wow!
Bye! What? OCD. Adjective.
Disorder?
Or
Perfectionist. Perfectionist.
What do you do to fix stuff?
Perfectionist repair.
perfectionist.
Fix.
the release so easy.
Perfectionist.
Putting things in order.
Mend.
Putting things in
Perfectionist.
order.
Organize. Perfectionist organize.
Organizer. Or perfectionist.
Oh my god.
Tequila fruit.
Perfectionist life.
Time.
Organized lemon.
Wait, that's a good one, team.
Ay, wait.
Gusto niyo ano na lang,
1, go.
Sushi media detox.
No phone.
Social-
Hint, no phone.
Social media detox.
Social media talks.
Detox.
Social media. Social media.
Detox. Detox.
Social
media TikToks. Yes! Social media TikToks! Social media TikToks!
Yung tagal itong time nito ah.
Twitter.
Parang mali nga yung isa yung bilis.
TikToks.
TikTok.
Tama naman.
Social media.
Really, it's just TikTok. Well, and YouTube and Instagram, but that's it. No phone. No phone.
Social media.
Detox.
Social media TikTok.
Throwing sale.
Tossing insults.
Tossing insults.
Indirect
Mahirap
way
siya.
of insulting.
Mahirap
It's hard. You have to read it faster.
Borrowing say. Borrowing.
Throwing shade.
Ano?
2 points for you. God.
Ang hard. I know you're good at this one.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's get this burger.
Cash
Let's get this.
Let's get this bread.
Let's get this.
Let's get this bread.
Next. Saying
Okay,
about
Homer.
oldies.
Oldies?
Okay, member.
Oak egg. Home her? Okay.
Wait. Home.
Oldies? Ano to yung ano?
Okay, member.
Outdated.
Okay, boomer.
phrase.
Okay, boomer.
Swipe.
Dating good bro.
Dating profile.
Next.
How are you getting
No offense. No offense.
No offense.
Oh,
Can I borrow your jar more?
Can I borrow your...
Can I borrow your jar?
3% yung hint.
Can I borrow your charger?
Yes.
Ang dali ng
Tinner tape. Tinner tape.
It's a match.
Tinner tape.
It's a match?
Tinner tape.
Tin-
Tinner tape. Tinner tape.
Dinner date?
The first
Under
step
tape.
in a loving long-term relationship.
Dinner date.
Dinner date.
Dinner date. Dinner date?
Dinner date at 8?
It's a match.
Dinner...
Time.
Eight.
Tinder
Dinner
date.
At dinner date.
Saan yung...
Wait, parang gumana yung pagkaano ko yung...
Pagkabulan natin. Parang nag-agreement.
5 points. La la la.
Next game. Sounds fishy. Sounds fishy. Sounds fishy. It's just a body every day. Sounds fishy.
What was accidentally filmed in the background during a battle scene? Mark.
Murder.
Okay. Marcus.
Lamp oil.
Lamp oil. Hannah.
Car.
Jamie.
Fire truck.
A cell phone.
Liar.
Di ba parang...
A murder.
Fire truck.
Dapat crime scene.
Cell phone.
Lamp oil.
Lamp
I would have
oil.
gotten that.
Car. Liar.
Nice one, sister. May 3 points ka? Yun ba yun? May 3 points ka?
Yes. Coming.
Ready? Go. In the 1950s, Popular Mechanics magazine predicted what would be eliminated by the year 2000.
Ano to? Ano? Liar ka, liar. Liar ka, ikaw ang liar.
In the 1950s, Popular Mechanics magazine predicted what would be eliminated by the year 2000. What is this? This is Popular Mechanics.
Paulit.
In the 1950s, Popular Mechanics magazine predicted what would be eliminated by the year 2000.
Okay.
Guys, you gotta make it hard for me. This is easy. Okay.
Cancer.
Oh.
Okay. Marcus.
Horse riding.
Fiona.
Tornadoes.
Via.
Hurricanes.
Jenny?
World hunger.
Okay.
Who is the liars?
Mark is gotta be lying for sure. Ano sa'yo? Cancer? Hurricane?
Hurricanes, tornadoes, world hunger.
Okay. Hurricanes.
So the chances of you getting like all three
Lahat tayo kukuha ng cards.
eventually, yeah.
Yeah. Fiona. Ay.
Like, come on. That's so nice.
Ang cute ng 6. Ang otaka ko. Ano yan?
One Piece.
Lahat yan?
Oo.
Yeah.
Coffee. Candy time. Naiwan ko wallet ko, so si Marcus ang bumili muna for now.
It's a life hack.
Ano pa yun? Sa mga honor students, kailangan mo ng honors experiential learning.
Sour Patch.
Honors ELP yung tawag.
That's right.
Tapos, pwede ka gumawa ng
It's soft.
anything. Basta interest mo rin. Tapos,
Ito yung soundboard.
oo, yun yung soundboard. Tapos,
This flavor.
hindi ko pa siya
Masarap din
nahawakan.
yung parang orange.
Nakapag-film ako. Never ko pa siya hinawakan.
Ano yung film mo?
Nag-film lang ako ng mga videos yung parang
Kailan try mo?
Don't check sales Friday at 1 a.m.
sa Thursday.
Oh my God,
Doon ka na lang sa airport mag-check-in.
yung online check. Pili ako ng seat.
Hindi nga, ang ginagawa ko ng mga
I think pili ka na lang ng seat dito sa Qatar. Ito ka nga.
Ano ba yung...
Bye vlog.
Is that a moth?
Bye vlog.
When I see you again, when I see you again, and the birds have been face the fire, the pain is stronger. Bye, Fio! Bye, Fio, mag-ingat ka, please. Balik ka! Bye! 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 Tingnan mo na! This guy is...
Why don't we be careful forever? I can't take it anymore. Move on.
Yo, kamikat.
Hello. Dating school. Wow.
Ito kasi,
Mga wala sa... Feel ko okay na yung small.
Okay, this one. Ha?
Sige, dito din. We are here at the loop. I'm looking for running. There we go. Oh wait. Probably just 90. Tagtaas. Oh. Kaya. Ito na lang kaya. 5 sachet or I wonder where you are. Holy aura! Odysseus! Holy aura! Brazil lang that's in Iceland? Ang lamig! Huh? Happy Oak. Brazilian!
Bakit portrait yung video?
Nilalagay ko yan sa vlogs ko.
Wow! This is insane!
Mga idol!
Mga idol!
Hello, Left Manoy! We're here. Nasa Iceland pa. Ano mga dol? Iceland po, Iceland! Iceland! Alamig!
Let's go na ganun. Ang funny!
Paano nila nililis? Paano nila nililis itong table na to? Pag nilagyan nila ng tubig, titigas nito.
Wait! You might just be the flip! King Odysseus! How so?
So I guess...
Ano ba yun yung sasayaw ni ano?
Balik tayo sila din ano lang, super lang.
Oh, bago tayo mas gusto ko sabihin kaya, ate, pwede mo ko take off? Oh, for Life of Manoy naman.
For life of Manoy.
Set lang ba kayo?
May enjoy mo naman sa Dubai kung mga 1 or 2 weeks ka lang doon. Saan tayo pala? Saan tayo mga idolo? Oy, saan daw tayo? Saan tayo, boss?
DJI or Insta360?
DJI. I'm not... Pagka cup and go, mas ano yung Insta360?
Real talk na.
Pero like fan ako ng DJI. I'm sorry.
Really? Gets naman, parang siyang Apple versus Samsung.
Mas gusto nila yung Insta
Ako
for...
din, kasi mas marami siyang accessories eh.
Mas maganda rin yung quality niya paggabi.
Way ba? Pero parang mas maganda rin yung
Life of Manoy. Pero para sa akin, DJI ako.
Ba't ganyan? Hindi ko kita yung
Yung sa may Eye of Sauron?
Marina?
Ay, DJI sa Qatar, Mark, or sa Pinas mo ito binili?
Actually, marketplace ako.
Ayaw talaga
Board
nila.
there.
Ako rin.
Lahat yan marketplace lang.
Marketplace like
Pati yung
FB?
isa ko. FB.
Ah, okay, kasi akala ko yung marketplace na grocery sa Pinas.
Facebook.
Nagbebenta silang good deal eh. Sa
Okay.
Pinas nila binili daw yun.
Ah, okay.
Doha na tayo guys para hindi mahirap umuwi.
Wait! Namit. Bye! Bye! Ay, naka-record pa rin siya the whole time.
na tayo, naiinis ako kay Roma.
Apoy! Apoy! Banana!
Kapoy! Bye guys!